So if you have a whoosh of air or fuel vapor coming out of your filler hole every time you open up the gas cap or remove the gas cap, this might be your problem. This is a rubber fuel line and it's connected to the carbon filter on this 2000 Jeep Cherokee XJ. The carbon filter sits in front of the gas tank right near the rear end, and as you can see, this hose is in bad shape, so I'm going to replace it so that the vapor that's supposed to go in to the filter isn't being blocked and trapped in the tank, which I think is what's happening. So here's what I bought. Fuel line hose, 5/16. And I also bought these guys, the micro gear clamps, 5/16 to 5/8 inch. This is what I got going. About 2.5 inches of 50 psi rubber fuel line and a couple of these guys, these clamps. See how it works. These are the two tubes. To the left is plastic, and to the right is the metal vapor line that goes up to the fuel tank or comes out of the fuel tank. So there it is. That's my repair job. 5/16 fuel hose and a couple of pipe clamps. That's the scoop. So no more whoosh coming out of my fuel filler. I'll post a video, and when it's posted, that'll be the result.